and welcome to this session on mark off and drill through holes. Let us begin with the session.
Let us look at the objectives of this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to state what is drilling, mark drill hole centers using vernier height gauge, set the correct spindle speed in drilling machine, drill through holes using a drilling machine. Let us now take a look at the tools required for this exercise. Steel rule, bench vise, tri-square, files of different grades and sizes, dot punch and center punch, ball peen hammer, anvil, surface table, angle plate, vernier height gauge, drills of various sizes, drilling machine, chuck key, drift, vernier caliper, and lubricating oil. Drilling is a metal cutting process carried out by a rotating cutting tool to make circular holes in solid materials. A hole is an opening in or through a particular medium, usually a solid body. There are two types of holes, which are blind hole and through hole. A blind hole drilled to a specified depth without breaking through to the other side of the workpiece. A through hole goes completely through the workpiece. Check the size of the raw material using steel rule. File all the faces using bastard file. Ensure parallelism and perpendicularity using tri-square. Apply marking media. Mark to size of 85 mm by 72 mm using vernier height gauge. Witness mark on the workpiece using dot punch and ball peen hammer. File and finish to the respective sizes using various grades of files. Ensure parallelism and perpendicularity using tri-square. Check the dimensions using vernier caliper. Marking off to drill through holes. Apply marking media on face A. Clean the surface table and angle plate. Ensure that all the moving components of the vernier height gauge are functional. Support the job with the help of an angle plate on the surface table. Mark parallel lines at 16 mm, 36 mm and 56 mm from face B using vernier height gauge. Mark parallel lines at 15 mm, 42.5 mm, 65 mm from face C using vernier height gauge. Witness mark the hole centers to be drilled using center punch and ball peen hammer on an anvil. Observe all the hole centers so as to conduct the drilling operations. Let us learn how to set a required spindle speed for drilling certain hole diameter. The spindle speed in RPM is calculated using the equation. RPM is equal to V into 1000 divided by D into pi, where V is the cutting speed in meter per minute, D is the diameter of the drill in millimeter, and pi is 22/7 or 3.1412. The cutting speed V in mm per minute is selected from the table based on the type of material being drilled. For example, to drill an 8 mm through hole on an MS plate, the spindle speed is calculated as V is equal to the cutting speed for MS material is selected as 30 mm per minute as per the table. So, N is equal to 30 into 1000 divided by 8 into 3.14 rpm, which is equal to N is equal to 1194.26 rpm. It is always preferred to set the spindle speed to the nearest available lower range. The selected spindle speed to drill 8 mm hole is 1000 rpm. Let us learn how to decide the drilling feed. Feed is the distance x a drill advance into the work in one complete rotation. The rate of feed is dependent upon a number of factors: finish required, type of drill or drill material, material to be drilled. The table shows the range of feed with respect to drill diameter. Clean the working table of the drilling machine such that it is free from chips. Hold the job in the drilling machine vise. Fix 3 mm diameter drill in the chuck using chuck key. Ensure the alignment of the drill bit with the center punch mark of the work. Ensure the flow of coolant for the hole to be drilled. Drill diameter 3 mm pilot holes for all the holes as per the drawing using pillar drilling machine. Fix 6 mm diameter drill to the chuck and drill all pre-drilled holes as per the drawing. Fix 8 mm diameter drill to the chuck and drill through all holes except hole 4 and 6 as per the drawing. Fix 10 mm diameter drill to the chuck and drill through all holes except holes 4, 6, 7 and 9 as per the drawing. Fix 12 mm diameter drill to the chuck and drill through holes except 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 and 9 as per the drawing. Fix 14 mm drill to the spindle to drill 16 mm through hole 5 progressively as per the drawing. Fix 16 mm drill to the spindle to drill 16 mm through hole as per the drawing. Finish the job and deburr all corners. Check the size with vernier caliper. Apply thin coat of oil and preserve it for evaluation. Precautions. Use coolant while drilling. Use chuck key for tightening the drill in the drill chuck. Use drift to remove the taper shank drill from drilling machine spindle. Do not hammer on drill to remove it out. Adjust the RPM of the spindle to suit the diameter of the drill. Remove the drill and drill chuck after use. Ensure that the drill do not penetrate into the vise. Do not remove chips with your bare hands. Use brush. Do not try to change the belt while machine is running.
To recap, we have learned to State what is drilling. Mark drill hole centers using vernier height gauge. Set the correct spindle speed in drilling machine. Drill through holes using pillar or bench drilling machine. So that's all about mark off and drill through holes. Hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. See you in the next session.